Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this is just my personal experience using the tool, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at MyPlanIQ, found at www.myplaniq.com. This website offers a comprehensive suite of tools for investment management, making it a powerful resource for both novice and seasoned investors. Navigating the site, you'll discover a variety of features designed to simplify and optimize your investment strategies. Whether you're looking for basic portfolio tracking or advanced asset allocation modeling, MyPlanIQ seems to have something to offer. From what I've seen, the platform provides access to a wide range of investment options and allows for a high degree of customization. You can explore different asset classes, create personalized portfolios, and backtest your strategies against historical market data. This backtesting feature is particularly valuable, as it allows you to see how your chosen investments might have performed in the past, giving you a better understanding of potential risks and returns. Furthermore, MyPlanIQ appears to provide tools for rebalancing your portfolio, helping you maintain your desired asset allocation over time. This can be crucial for staying on track with your long-term financial goals. The site also seems to offer resources and educational materials to help users make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced investor looking for more sophisticated tools, MyPlanIQ might be worth exploring. They seem to offer different subscription tiers, catering to various needs and budgets, so be sure to check out their pricing plans to see what fits your requirements. Again, the link is down in the description. I encourage you to visit the website and explore the features for yourself. MyPlanIQ could be a valuable asset in your investment journey. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What investment tools do you use? Let's discuss.